Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this tulle sleeve. So it's going to be like a sleeve slash cape. So it's a tulle cape sleeve. And guys, it is really easy to make. Let's just get into it. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your tulle fabric. Now along the length of the tulle, remember it's usually 60 inches long. We're going to fold it together just like this, like scrunch it together as a straight line just like this. And then you're going to measure your shoulder to your waist measurement times 2. So in my case, mine is 16 inches times 2 is 32 inches. And then I'm going to measure down to 32 inches just like this. So once you've measured it down to 32 inches, now this is the essence of squeezing it just like that. It's going to help you cut it in a straight line. So keep holding it scrunched together just like this and then cut it straight down just like that. Now this piece is what we're going to be using for our project.
I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm never stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your fabric into 2 along that 32 inches side. So you're basically going to have 16 inches on one side and 16 inches on the other side. And then you're now going to measure what you have along your sleeve. So your sleeve length basically. Measure your sleeve length from your shoulder to your wrist and then add 6 inches to it. So your shoulder to wrist plus 6 inches, measure it and mark it on your fabric on the folded side. So the folded side, mark it right there. And then from there, go forward again. Like after that mark again by 8 inches.
Go getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm never stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
Now that you've done that, you're now going to fold these two together just like this and then fold your piece fully. Now it will be time to work on our neckline. So for the neckline, we're going to go downwards by 3 inches or 2 inches, 1 inch, depending on how much you want. I'm going by 2.5 inches and I'm going to create a curve that will serve as the neckline curve. So can you guys see what I'm doing? I have curved it and they're going to take a sharp scissors to cut it just like this. Now it's sharp scissors because you don't want it to have any cracks, bumps, because we're not sewing anything on this neckline. It's going to be smooth along the neck, smooth along the ends, except the sleeve part. Now that we're done, this is what it looks like. Can you guys see the hole? Now we're going to go to the side where we measured our sleeve length plus 6 inches, and then we're going to take it and fold it twice by half an inch. So half an inch once, half an inch twice, and sew it down right there. This will be our elastic casing. So sew it down right there at that spot.
Promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Now you're going to take an elastic that can fit your wrist and fit upwards as well, because you don't want it to be too tight at the same time and you don't want it to be too loose. So cut out what you have and then insert your elastic inside the casing. And guys, don't forget to pin the other end when you're inserting it so that it doesn't, remove basically, so that you don't have to do double job.
Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't.
And once you're done, this is what it's going to look like. I'm now going to fold it right sides facing each other. Now there's a right side now because you've sewn it up. Right sides facing, and then sew it down along that point right there, just about 5 inches. So that's the final sewing we need to do. And then once you're done, this is what it's going to look like. And guys, I am done with this. It's turned out fabulous. This is what it looks like. Guys, I'm sure you guys love it. Guys, if you recreate this, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube as well. Also, don't forget to watch my other videos. I have amazing videos on this channel, sustainable fashion pieces that you can wear in multiple ways. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, join in as a member. Membership helps you get amazing perks on this channel like membership only videos, one-on-one sessions with me when you are recreating a project. Guys, the perks are endless and I hope you guys love this video. Also, don't forget to comment in the comment section, like this video, share within and outside your circle. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.